They said they recently renovated here, so let's take a look at the workmanship. Epoxy paint on the floor, check. Paint on the drywall, check. So far so good. Let's look at the detail a little bit. Let's look up. Let's see. Let's look at electrical stuff. First off, what the heck is this? This cute little box on box on box is not illegal, but why it's on an odd angle baffles the mind. Same thing applies to this exit sign here, which is kind of somewhat dangling out of the ceiling. Yeah, it could be better, but otherwise it's not a structural deficiency. An interesting feature here is this rodent access hole there, which was left unfinished there, whatever the thought is behind. Let's look at some other issues over here. They put a new door here. The door isn't the same size as the opening, so they had to shim it out with 2x4 or whatever, some piece of extra wood. It's cute, but there's a problem. It's not finished. You know, first off, you might want to find a door that actually fits the opening. And yeah, this kind of gappage is not really practical. What's the issue here is fire separation. The door has, say, an hour and a half of fire rating for flame spread and smoke spread. So with that kind of gappage, yeah, it's just defeating the purpose. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, this wonderful paint job here. I don't know if you can see, but the roller stopped here. Actually, it stopped there, and this one is unpainted and just left as is. Same there, spots missing or unpainted. Same as there, unpainted, 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 unpainted. This is the kind of workmanship that you expect from a 6-year-old kid. No, well, let's make it a 4-year-old. Unpainted, same there where the ceiling and wall meet. Unpainted. Alright, so that's that. Let's go back to this electrical detail a little bit. Over here. The height of this light switch, I don't know, there's the door to it, there's the doorknob, and so it would be practical somewhere here. I don't understand why it's mounted at head height 180 centimeters above ground. That's how this looks like. So it's an impractical height. 2, it's wired in an idiotic manner when this one is on, this one is on, and this one is also on. Like, what the heck? Yeah, see what's happening? Another thing is that they added wires. This is old stuff. This is how wiring should look like running in a solid conduit. Now, because this one is solid metal there, solid metal pipe there, and this one is soft wire, softy. Now, it conducts electricity and is the right size, but it's not the right kind, because this is soft and this is designed to be inside a wall, inside a 2x4 wall or a 2x6 wall. So if objects are leaned against it or it gets cut, it's a problem because it's exposed and it only has a soft jacketing around it. This side is clamped in, so you can't yank it out of the box. So that's good, but I don't know how this one is done. Yeah, there's evidence of some clamping there. Alright, so that one is semi-tolerable. And stuff just being zap-strapped to the solid conductor is okay. It just looks like, again, an afterthought. And because the number of conductors that you can place in a solid conduit is fixed, you can only jam in so many pieces. Another option would have been armor cable. Of course, there is some armor cable here. That one, the top of the picture, just above or next to the red one, would be armor cable. Yeah, what else do we have? Electrical. Yeah, this cable needs supporting. This one is just dangling here. That's not a good idea. This cable over here It's bad practice. It shouldn't be taking a sharp turn like that twice. That's why conduits need to be cut and then bent to proper radius. There is the same bundling here with zap strap and armor cable slash house wire slash data cable, whatever else. Everything is just bundled together. It just looks ridiculous and unprofessional. But otherwise that's not a structural issue, but this one is more of this house wire with soft jacketing being exposed. Again, stuff is leaned against it, it gets cut, it becomes a problem. So that's why armor cable like up top there, or solid conduit like higher up there is what's expected. So this is how the Renault looks like. And what do you know, they ran out of drywall on the inside, so they just placed this wood board on the inside. It's not wrong, it's just ugly. And maybe the last thing, yeah, I saw it here. Yeah, more rodent access holes like that. Again, we're back to flame spread and smoke spread. This is a room, if there's a fire here and it's being, you know, contaminating the air in the other room and spreads to the other room, so it's just defeating the purpose. A fantastic renovation, eh? This is how it looks like where incompetent people do it.